mindset, Rastafari. So, put up on a journey.
To show it to you. Even if me not say nothing, I'm supposed to walk accordingly. That means say, Emmanuel say, you know, you're the black supremacy book. If you don't believe in word, believe in the works. See? Yeah, so that's how we have to stand. So we are priests, we can talk. And just kill us with the spirit. But the doings is the light. And that are the evidence that I got there. Sure. Repatriation with compensation.
So the I also say something interesting, that Africa hasn't accept her subjects, haven't reached out to claim back her subjects, which is Africans in the diaspora now, Trinidad, Jamaica, St. Lucia, name it. What will it take for our brothers and sisters here who probably have been through similar ordeal but not the same? What do you think it will take for them to have the understanding that they need to now stretch out that arm to their brothers and sisters in the diaspora?
You see, the cause, you know, the cause is a free and redeem Africa. A free and redeem Africa. When we have that, you know, then we have one voice. And the voice then of the repatriation. You see? Because remember say when we are coming, in a prophecy no my lord, be in a prophecy. Like say you can't turn back now. We have to build. And he said, if we have a foundation where principle is being kept and liberty that one can come and see. You see, because man say, if you see the light and continue in darkness, you're matter. But if there is no light for you to see, you're free. You see, actually Emmanuel it come to now and teach us. So we couldn't last as Rastafari is just reggae music. I mean, how much man did them now come to Africa? You can buy 2 tickets and send 2 brethren now. And that's what Jah do, you know. So if we follow where Jah teach us, we could have enough man already. And then we go over here so a bill. Then we can send ship, you know. Or we can agitate. We don't build nothing, man. Come and we fight. Then if we are fight and somebody see we are fight, we don't go join us. Nothing love, understanding. So when I want to come to the midst, if you don't have love and understanding, you have to go to.
So the ayah said then we give our brethren and sisters in here a wrong impression then, in a sense.
No man behave, we did that. A man learn the body based. You see, that's why we focus on Emmanuel. Because in the day in our midst, and like His Majesty where we are youth, we never get in our midst. I man see His Majesty in 1966, in a 9-year-old. So me remember. But Emmanuel now, after His Majesty and Marcus Garvey, Emmanuel coming now as a living man with a liberty. So we were there seeing the liberty, learning the liberty, but man never continue in the liberty. All of us is Emmanuel. So I don't want to be Edwards. But Emmanuel I am. No man can't take that from me. Because when you see the priest say, Jah will sit in Zion and reign in the earth. That's it. So when Emmanuel did it, he might talk to me and I live see me. So he send me and he move. Remember to stop. No man, I get more confident. Because I feel him presence. And when I look at the mirror, I see him too. That's it, because the man said the countenance of one man brightens to another. So we have to learn that. And he said anywhere you go, it's the same. I'm changing. Sometimes people vex you, my lord. People vex and speak unadvisedly. This part I always say that, you know. That's it. Yeah, but you come learn that, my lord. You learn that. That's it. Because one time just said to me, my lord, what do you use a man to run from something? And the longer run back come back. You better a man just stand up and build himself. That's why I say 10 years I deal with the man. And one day he called me and said, my lord, you have a passport? Get a passport and I send it to Africa. Delegation move. It's after the 8-man delegation. Second delegation going on. I man prepare the banner and the flag them and shake and give the man them. Gone. And I man go back and check the father. And just say, my lord, you're not gone, my lord. I said, my lord, no one never asked me for my documents. I just a passport and visa. I said, don't worry, my lord, next month, next delegation, yeah, lead the next delegation to Nigeria. 1 week after the one go. And it is different.
Tell me something though, my lord. What was those delegation like? What was the structuring like to like, you know, reach Nigeria? What, you know, what the organization is like? Enough people that think they are them just get up and just gone to Africa. You know?
Emmanuel they on the radio, you know, every Sunday Jah used to have a program, you know. And he used to visit the radio station and things. But them always say, if you want to go to Africa, why we don't go? Get your passport and go. That's it. That's why Jah do that, you know, my lord. And then when we go up and come back with the report, we depend the radio, you know, and tell them everything we receive, pineapple, big son, all people them love it. That's it. Then just you know, we never go, but this time we now come back. So just send out virgin. That's it. So I'm on there from 2001, 9th September. Jamaica. That's it. Go return. Spend 3 days. Go. Every time I land in UK, my lord, 30 pounds me have. When I leave Jamaica, $80 me have. That's it. So we can live in a hotel and that's it. So we start from down, come up. Because we were low. That's it. So we can't go like that again. Because Jah give you hunger. No food for lazy. That's it. Like the sweat of your brow. Yeah. So we are farmer, we are builder. So my Lord, just show you everything, my Lord, teach you everything. But it's to love one another. That is the main thing. If we don't love one another, we have to work together.
True.
And we are brothers and sisters. Remember in the Bible it said to be perfect in love, you have to love your very enemy, you know. And me and you are brothers and sisters, blood. And me now try hard to love. We make hatred take over. No, my Lord, me live with Emmanuel so that could happen to others. If you want to make me black, run, you go be by myself. But you're not going to make me be a hater. And a curser. And say, no man, just give you a blessing with the priest, you know. So out of the mouth come wisdom and knowledge and blessing. Curse is for all do, disobedient. What them do? Reaction for them. See? Oh my Lord, they taught us well enough, but we never continue what they taught us. One thing says some material thing. So we want to take it. Remember the prophecy with the woman, the two women with the baby. That's it. That's it. We cut it into. Let's say that. Yeah. That's it. So that the man him do. You can just cut it up. When you have the strength in Africa. If you have a problem in Africa, we focus on it and make sure we rectify it. But no, them leave it to fester. Because they want that to happen. Because Africa nice, you know, and we in the West. We left out. Africa is struggling now and we get material, big car and big house and big thing. Like say something that go on to us.
Complacency. Complacency.
Yeah, my Lord.
I was waiting for you.
Sorry. We couldn't
Yes.
take over, man. See? So, you love to read me letter, them, you know, my Lord.
Yeah, man, I got to do
Understand?
that.
Me say something they can write and send to the man. You know. But the man never take time to address the thing. I said, Virgin, you can't vex, you know. You can also just teach me, my Lord. How just teach me, as son, I can move, you know. Because him send me, you know, so I never disappoint. You see it? So, that's why I just move like that, my Lord. That's it, because I'm confident of the God thing. You know, say, me never eat nobody or do no evil to nobody. On earth to Zion. All the little children, them, they know me. I grow them up. I never try molest none or nothing like that. Yeah. So, yeah. So, some of them are held and all. Yeah, my Lord. So, I say give thanks. I come and see and hear. So I want to take patience. See, all through the years, people are come and them, but no man never come and do that yet, no man.
Which is
Hear my part.
my Lord.
Because I have a part in that sin and I never divert from it. You see? But man, they never strengthen the program. Maybe through me as an individual, they don't like me for whatever reason. So they must strengthen it. Living with Emmanuel, you see them thing there. You understand? Man could have give. But if him give through me there, they never benefit, you know. So man will have hold. Yeah, my Lord, I see them thing there.
Terrible.
Yeah, I see them thing there, no, my
Terrible,
Lord.
my Lord.
And just move and I come see manifest again. That's why I say me write letter. And I say did it. And I said and all me do. I did it. At no time I vex. I speak with understanding how to teach you. Because something we are doing.
Majesty.
Yeah.
I say your part is very important, my lord, and I not only believe so, I know so. See, the registration of the Congress here in Ghana, was that something that I was looking to do here in Ghana, or it was just Ethiopia, the geographical place where we call Ethiopia?
Then they send delegate, send to Ghana. I with, when I leave Jamaica, me and a virgin leave. And tell me, say, take a next virgin from Ghana and travel over Nigeria. And we have virgin Ethiopia. See, so Ghana, let me tell you, say, at the gate, I have to leave out. See, it and Kwame Nkrumah, independence. Ghana get independence 6 March 1957. Congress rise 1st March 1950. See it, so it's spiritual. The whole thing is spiritual. See it, but the man them leave off the spiritual and get to material. See it, and then Babylon does it material and give them all freedom to walk with ganja now. Ganja lives now. All them things, some man does dead there. Because I can say, look, how long the 2 elders came in the man. And the 2 elders them came, the man got Tafu. You know they are Tafu now. The man give up Tafu from 2004. See, but the heart ABIs. But we say a place, Jamaica and Tafu. We can't identify with those places. Because when you used to live a different thing totally from what I've done. See? Yeah. So the man them divert my Ghana. We are Ghana, no problem. At the same flag. Like say we have X flag, the same red, gold and green. So we just at home. Kwame Nkrumah, Emmanuel. We can't separate them here. We can't separate them. Because the cause, you know, free and redeem. The same cause for Marcus. The same cause for Selassie. Because when we free and redeem, then we can call for the people. We don't have to worry which part of them go. We don't unite already, so if you want to go to Nigeria, we will put you in Nigeria. And when you come, things there for you already to do. Majesty build school. You see it? Everything starts small in the mind. If you do it small and perfect it, next one, you upgrade it, you make it bigger. That's so. That's so my love. See, the man them, see them take it. Just like what them do Jamaica.
So, is it the takeover mentality why I disassociate yourself from Tafu?
What them did? Because if you try to take care of this thing, and no man now help to take care of the thing, but them want benefit. Alright, them don't want to do it. Them don't counsel someone else to do it. Them counsel them not to do it either. So, no one strengthen the thing. We have tabernacle. No one strengthen it, but one priest, them want to come on altar. See? And them want out the road and drink alcohol and smoke cigarette and the world and still come on the altar. So that's what they were doing. So one time I stopped minister. Because I say, alter polluted. And see, like, a month after that, you get the quota. 8 months, I couldn't go to tabernacle. 8 months, I saw me stay. And I watch, like 8 months, not one brethren strengthen the work. The same place the work leave at the same place to come and see. 8 months. And I know all the brethren them.
So is that a lack of understanding?
Man, bad mind. Like me, brother, and you love me. If you see me and make a mistake, you go caution me and show me the right way. So, you never leave me to continue and perish. That's what I do. Gain a brother than to lose one. That's it. But remember, I say it's not my own, you know. It's for all of us, kingdom. One time, King Emmanuel, as my Savior reason, and he said to me, my Lord, it have to be yours before the ours. Lord, your King Emmanuel, tell I. So that's why I move the way I move. I have EABIC. I couldn't separate myself. But when a 10-mile Bull Bay, I want to take it over. I got tough one, I want to take it over. You know them. The man can't take away why the man will give to I. See it?
Me hear you say this more than one time, and it make me have to ask the eye, you know, taking over Bobo here. Can a man really take over a place where a fit in place, in other sense there?
Over. Let me say, my Lord, when we were there with King Emmanuel, you have enough man where never did it them go. Although them held a Bobo and them never did it for my 10 years when we did it. And I say after Gilbert just start call back some man. And
89.
89. Yeah. Gilbert and 88. You see, some man start come, and when some man come, some man run with too. Them time because enough work face with the whole camp below down. So enough work. So some man run there. In the last days when it look like say things are flourish, materially, man are coming in, which I don't depend on the spiritual part already. That's why I'm saying. See? One time just say, my Lord, if we was to get up one morning and we not see, half time just say that to the man. He say, if he was to go this morning, which man go have his one banana and break it up for everyone? I mean, sharing. Enough man is not sharing with my man. They must want to take the thing. And if they not share, they must share with some people. Because they're partial. And the kingdom is partial. The fifth kingdom of justice stands for equality and justice for all the people. Whether you're black or white, you get justice. Yeah. So, justice, man, they never do that. They know themselves, you know. They know themselves, man. So, we can't enter that with them. See, if I go talk, it's to build the thing. Never mash up nothing. Earth design. Build and we repair, maintain. We never mash up nothing. Spiritually and temporally.
Majesty. The eyes are elder now. See it? Whether you want to accept it or not.
No man, they are elder now. It's 6, they're like Ghana, you know.
Majesty.
Yeah, man.
Rastafari. elders like the I age bracket group that is still in the West, foundation brethren like the I. But we're not seeing that movement from the camp coming into Africa, knowing that international repatriation, is a back to Africa move, is a movement to Africa. What's your words of encouragement then to the brethren them your age group? What's your encouragement to them, coming back to Africa? Because you mentioned briefly about two elders came. I think you talk about Priest Bobby. What's your encouragement to those elders who think that repatriation is a migration scheme when you get on a plane or a ship to come to Africa?
First of all, if you have a place where them coming to. That's when the virgin them came, the two elder virgin came. Me, I don't live at Tafu, but me build a house. And me give them the key. You understand? And the virgin was there. No love and respect to the elders. And the elder, Priest Bobby said, the disrespect of the virgin is showing. You can't live in the camp. So you have to go outside and live. The next elder virgin is the same thing. Because the man was dead there. Very disrespectful. You see it? To me, that's how him say Jesse behave. He does behave the same way. Jesse I say I'm father. Inheritance in whatever. You see it? Taking over. And if you have elder come, a place of a different elder, and you can't expect the elder to come and do this and do that. Me a soldier, so me always depend on the move, my lord. Understand? Because I say if you don't move, all them are angel. And if you don't build the kingdom, all them are know. You understand? So them think them, my lord. So the elder them, I remember saying some man, how much time you go Babylon? He never try to come Africa. You see, I'm not saying he can't come. But it has been in your mind to come. Who am I going to come to? You come to somebody where you never show no love or that. So people not accept you. Yeah, so we have to have that thing there now. If I say a camp, the principle have to run the camp. Principle, uprightness, truth. You can't be significant and things like that way. That's it. So from them time the man them never rectify that. If they may rectify that, then we'd have something to look forward to. So they never rectify that and grow to it grow. So them not the West know like them have nothing. Because they never build it. They can't talk about that. They never build it. What do they? If they come, we go stay. I say, Jah come, when Jah there, Jah build a house. When Jah build the next house, leave the one there. And that's how house then replace, man. So we come Africa now, and we say we have land. We can. And we have 10. The man to build a house. You talk about repatriation, where the people never come out. See? So that my the man them do what them do. That's it. So if them are see them come right now, we them go stay. I'm going to stay in a hotel and guest house. I will never build nothing. So we go tackle. What did they? That's what I'm trying to teach you, my love.
So it's important that ones who are coming now the mindset of a mindset where you're coming to build, as the I said.
Coming to build. Someone have built already. Better we can do with the man, everything built up. And you know, we have built. Still seek out the next one. You understand? The strong ain't the weak, you know. Maybe through my elder, I have the strength. A young man have the strength, so you can put in some of the strength. Or maybe financially, put in the strength into strength. The strength might have. So it will not go to whom it is due. It is in power of the hand to do it. See? So that when they be strengthening, you see brother do something. I always say, if you watch the ants and the bees, you see them moving in unity. If I eat, the whole of I eat. If I work, the whole of I work. If I fight, the whole of I fight. Unity, strength. So that teach you. One shall chase 1,000, 2 10,000, 300,000. See? So that my Lord, the man then divert and material things. Because I choose in the last days, Babylon never spend whole of money for blind eyes. One time, hand cart we are pushing, now you can drive a beamer. So man, go for the beamer, you know. I remember say, well, Africa was supposed to come. Simple like that.
True. So, the mission haven't changed, basically. It remains the same.
Remain the same, can't change. Africa already now. So if anything, Africa will rise. You know what? We not talk about the West. Africa will rise. That's why I'm saying another thing there. No matter which part in Africa, you have to start one look at this. No matter which part of Africa. And that the man that has strength. If there's a problem, remove it. One man, maybe 100, and one man. If him are right, then you have a problem, or you wrong. If him wrong or you're right, you don't have to move him. You can use force stuff. But the kingdom is not by force, but by truth. So if you take over the kingdom by force, you can't take over by force from the rule. So the humble and make the people there, yeah man, and them man have to rule the thing man, they have to understand them. Meditate the elder them now. You can't come and work like how me all work. The elder bird, you know, how can I work never make it? I can't try work and do me a elder too. My sister through the years, the man them no respect the elder. Not that myself. See, because man tell them I vote a negative thing against her. I never try to know I personal. I'm still like so. And because this is what them do. Because the works just saying.
So, we know reasoning have no ending on my life.
True.
And, you know, the eye journey and experience, you know, we can't package it into, you know, one little reasoning or one little interview. Okay? So, we have a stop there now. So you can feel like knowing the eye and, you know, sharing the energy and the vibe that is more important to I personally. But this is for the understanding and for educational purposes, you know, because younger one than I are forward, see, and they need to understand some of the things that I know I try to understand myself, see, and I, who is an elder who have journeyed the path already, Zine can, you know, share the wisdom and understanding with us. So want to take the time out again and to thank I to taking this time and to be patient, my Lord, with I and as a priest.
Strength, my Lord. Like I said, many still never hear my voice all these years. I even see my face. I see it because in early time, I used to write letter, my Lord, send picture, and see the movement. But as he said, when the man them know what are going on and see the thing that are going on, them sabotage it. That's it. So from that time there, I kind of took up myself. That's it. And he said, them have to build it. I say, EABIC, them have to build it and then call me and I can assist them. That's it. And I say, me, EABIC already, no one can take it from me. But what the man them fulfilled through these years, it's in a letter them in my mind. That's it. So, them have to go put it together. I mean, them have to go get the land and all the things them want to do, put it together. And then call me Priest Banick and we can assist. But we can't go say me again. Because we do it already and the man never assist. I don't want to take over, I don't know fear man or nothing. See, something was given to I by the Father. So I got take care of that. And the man can take it and mash it up. So the man I them take over EABIC and bring it to that. Another part of that, you have to go set it and then bring me to it. And like I said, when you come to the tabernacle, part there different. Spiritual. Then no man, no go strong with spiritual. Job control that. And say enough man say them a priest. Enough man say them a priest, my Lord. But the behavior. See, my son learn. See, when we got tougher first time, we used to carry people. When we go to town and we reason with people, they come to Sabbath service. And when they come to Sabbath service, some priests go there and talk. And them same priests they are going to town and a rum bar. People stop come. Some terrible thing the man them did, my Lord. Appreciate drinking is like normal thing. I see the Ghana virgin. Them learn that from school days. But you have to remember, say, no, you're a Rastafari. Certain things you have to put away. You see me, I just see me, I never drink Guinness, you know, my Lord. And beer and smoke cigarette and everything. I'm a Rastafari and I'm a little youth. So I never enter the world like that. See? Yeah, so everything they never part of it. King Emmanuel made me a priest and live with him. And you see the work of the priest and what the priest supposed to be. I couldn't just someone now, I tell someone, alright, you go school and you go university and you study law. You know, you come out and you have the law firm. He said, me don't know where live with King Emmanuel 10 years. You're a priest. You never learn nothing. You learn many things. So I don't think the way we learn, I use for live. Alright. We know how to defend the truth and the right. So we give thanks. Angels open your mind. Do what you can. Because I said, when we die, you can't do nothing. So as long as you are living, do what you can.